Trying to forget all of the messages, trying to forget all of the stressing, cause damn it was.
Let's get into this video. Y'all already know what we here for. We're gonna get it popping. You're gonna need some got to be glued freeze spray. And we're gonna be using the got to be glued, ultra glued, the gel. You're gonna need some shears for hair, rat tail comb, a little brush, clips to clip up your hair. And we're gonna get started. Oh, do not forget the blow dryer. Okay, you're gonna need a Nude Wig Cap. Doesn't matter what brand it is, they all pretty much work the same. I already have mine on, so we're gonna get started. This is my unit. Her name is Katia. Say hi to Katia, everybody. Yes. You see, she's already pre-plucked, bleached knots, and she's ready to go. So I'm gonna show you guys a simple glueless way on how to apply your lace front units. I just love it. As you can see, came out really nice. I literally just learned how to braid it probably 3-4 months ago. I'm gonna put this on and pull it. Make sure it's flat, all the way stretched. Taking the got to be glued gel, put some on my hand like this, and just work it in as I go. Add more if I need it. And just, I'm gonna put some on the hairline. Around my perimeter where my lace is gonna go. And here's a fun trick I learned from Erica J. Shout out to you, girl. Hair by Erica J. She taught me this. Actually, was it her or was it, I don't remember if it was her or Glamazante. But this is such a good idea. So you can get that flat application on your sideburns. I didn't need this much gel, but I like to be extra. Then you're gonna get your blow dryer. I'm gonna put it on warm setting, and we're just gonna do full blast. Very important to have some alcohol nearby because you want to make sure there's no oils on your skin, your client's skin, on your fingers, none of that, because it can lift the lace. The maximum hold that you can get on this is probably about a week's worth. It depends on how many layers you put. Today I'm just doing for 1 or 2 days. This is why I like this method, because I don't really wear my wigs all the time. I don't sleep with my wigs. I take it off with some water and it comes right off in the shower.
This is where the hairline starts, okay, right here. But this is where this stops, so put a little bit more right there and we're good. Okay, let's match it up with everything else. Everything else is matching up pretty nicely. If you can see, the little, yes, it's matching up pretty nicely, as you can see.
And I'm gonna take my mousse, which is, this is what I use. When you use glue, it doesn't lift your lace when you apply this to your frontal. A little bit, less is more. We're just doing this to push the hair back. And this is what the inside of my wigs look like. Don't mind the white lining.
I'm gonna take my comb like this, and whatever I part out, I'm gonna cut. So this is all gonna be cut off. This part right here.
But yeah, this is how close I'm cutting. This is the lace. This is how your lace should look. when you're cutting it. It shouldn't be straight across. No. Yeah, always start in the middle. It's just easier in my opinion. You can start wherever you feel comfortable, but in the middle,
it just gets there quicker. Alright, and then we just want to start cutting it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just anywhere it's lifting, just cut it. If you don't want it to lift too much, you can always go back and apply some more gel or spray.
Now we're just gonna cut this little piece that's sticking out. This is how my back is looking. You know, this part doesn't bother me because I'm not wearing it in a ponytail or anything like that because it's not a full waist and it's not a 360. So I'm gonna just put that right there. So my comb clip is gonna go right here. NYX, this is in the color Cocoa. The lace. It's just powder. Oh yes, this is what it's looking like before I even apply anything. It's looking like a scalp. We're gonna take the blow dryer, my freeze spray. We're just gonna spray. And then we're gonna apply the lace where it's supposed to be. We're gonna do this on the other side. Start with this side.
Trying to forget all of the messages, trying to forget all of the stressing, cause damn it was. Trying to forget all of the seconds.
This is the final look. I'm giving a scalp, showing you guys how to get low maintenance on a frontal without glue. If you like what you see, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll be posting more videos and tutorials and give you guys updates on my wig collection, which is Kashmir collection. This is my Brazilian straight from Kashmir collection. I don't carry straight hair in Brazilian anymore. I just carry Indian. And soon I'll be carrying Cambodian. So happy.
Stressing cause damn it was. Trying to forget all of the secondary feelings I had, man, it was fucking scary. Trying to get back to all my old ways, trying to get back to all the hobbies from my old days. Trying to forget all the unnecessary thoughts from my head, man, it was pretty scary. It's another thing or two, what we went through, and baby who I am, am.